If you've ever clicked a Telegram invite link only to see that it's expired, you already know how frustrating that can be. The good news is, in many cases, the fix is very simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix expired links on Telegram, what to do if you were removed from a group, and the fastest way to get access again. So if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to understand what an expired Telegram link actually means. Usually it means the invitation was temporary, the link was revoked, or the group admin changed the settings. It does not always mean something is broken on your device. In many cases, the problem is simply that the link is no longer valid, so you'll need a fresh invitation from the right person. The first step is to directly reach out. Message the original sender of the link or contact a group admin and let them know that the previous invitation has expired. Keep it simple and polite. You can say something like, "Hey, the Telegram invite link expired. Could you please send me a new one?" In many situations, that's all it takes. The admin can generate a new invite link and send it to you right away. Now, if you were previously banned or removed from the group, there's an extra step that matters a lot. The admin must first clear your username from the removed users list before a new link will work. If they don't do that, you may keep getting blocked even if they send a fresh invite. So if you've been kicked out before, let the admin know and ask them to check the removed users list first. Once your username is cleared, they can add you back or give you a new working link. If you're in a group chat, it can also help to ask whether the group is using a limited time invite, a single-use invite, or an invite that was manually revoked. Sometimes admins rotate links for security, and that means old invitations stop working on purpose. In that case, the solution is not to keep retrying the same link. You need the updated one from the admin or sender. Another helpful tip is to make sure you're opening the link in the correct Telegram account. If you have multiple accounts on your phone, a link might behave differently depending on which account is active. So before you assume the link is broken, double check that you're signed into the right account and that your app is updated to the latest version. If the admin sends you a new invite and it still doesn't work, ask them to resend it as a fresh private invite instead of forwarding an old one. Old forwarded links can sometimes lead to confusion, especially if permissions were changed. A brand new invite is usually the cleanest fix. And if you're the one managing the group, this is a good reminder to keep your invite settings organized. Remove old links when needed, generate new ones when necessary, and clear removed users before re-inviting them. That prevents most of the issues people run into with expired Telegram links. So to quickly recap, if your Telegram link expired, contact the original sender or group admin and ask for a new one. And if you were banned or removed before, the admin needs to clear your username from the removed users list before the link will work properly again. That's the core fix. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Telegram tips and app fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.